Look, we all know what ultrasonic cleaners really excel at, and that's cleaning in areas that are so small or so tight that you can't get in there to scrub, or even delicate parts that you might damage while trying to clean them. Carburetors come to mind, in fact. An ultrasonic cleaner is a fantastic way to get into all those tiny little passages without hurting anything. I recently cleaned up my old Suzuki carbs and the bike was totally transformed. To be honest, after that, guys, I expected to throw my ultrasonic cleaner on the shelf and forget about it until A, my carbs needed cleaning again, or B, another crappy old motorcycle came into my life. But I found myself using my ultrasonic cleaner for a few more things than I thought. Handful of rusty old bolts that need cleaning, greasy parts, stuff like that is perfect to throw into the ultrasonic cleaner. The beauty is that with the 99-minute timer on these cleaners, I can throw the stuff in, set it, and forget it for a while, go work on something else, or go lay on the couch while the ultrasonic cleaner does the scrubbing for me. So what I have over here is a motor mount from a Ford 400 and a couple rusty nuts and bolts in there. We're going to throw that exactly into our ultrasonic cleaner and see what this thing can do. I have some oil eater in there. You could also go with metal wash, and we'll go for one 90-minute pass. So let's get going. I'm going to dunk these in. We'll see you guys in 90 minutes. All right, it's been 90 minutes. I've been doing something else this whole time, so let's come back to this thing and take a look. This is my favorite part, and as you guys probably could have guessed, that water looks disgusting. Let's take our parts out and see what we got here. Well, that motor mount is looking much better. You can start to even see some metal on that thing. The bolts look perfect. It looks like even that one bolt is starting to, the paint on it is starting to loosen up as well, which is pretty good for an ultrasonic cleaner. Speaking of loosening up, usually anything that's left on there, that motor mount is pretty bad, but usually anything that's still left on there after the pass with the ultrasonic cleaner comes right off with a wipe, something like that. Wire brush to get the hard stuff, but certainly cuts down on the amount of time it would have took to clean those from the start. I love these things. I feel like I just got 90 minutes of my life back, and that is always worth it. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. Thanks for watching. As always, I'm JD. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.